First tick on the index, very strong, 65 points higher now at that 19,880 mark. The Sensex as well is up about 170 points. The Bank Nifty is leading from the front with a gain of around 150 odd points. Let's take a look at the top gainers. It's the Adani Group stocks, Adani Ports, Adani Enterprises that are up 2%. Tata Motors is moving from strength to strength, Hero MotoCorp as well. So autos are doing well. M&M is also your big gainer right now. Followed by Apollo Hospitals. There's a brokerage note over there. So Apollo Hospitals is up in the green. ONGC, Wipro, Power Grid, SBI, and a couple of other stocks that are looking pretty good. Reliance is also batting for the bulls this morning. So up almost about 1% over there. What's not doing well? Hardly any stocks actually. Divi's, Infosys, HUL are just flat with a bit of a negative bias. Eicher Motors is flat as well. But really, this is a very strong market. Look at the mid-caps, 300 points straight off the back. The Nifty Pharma Index, the metal index is really surging now, 1% higher on the metal index. So big outperformance compared to the headline index. And, big moves coming into individual stocks as well. I also just want to point out that there are plenty of stocks hitting fresh 52-week highs, even from the frontliners. So we'll talk about that. You have a lot of these stocks, IRB Infra, BHEL, IRFC, RVNL, all at fresh 52-week highs. And of course, Nigel will talk more about that. But otherwise, it's a very strong opening.
Well, that's right, Sonia. The stocks we just discussed, REC and PFC, Digant said, be a little bit cautious. Maybe majority of the good news is in the price. For the time being, both of them have opened higher with a gain of around 2.5%. IRFC, well, it continues its big run. In 5 sessions, the stock is up 40%. Massive move is what we're seeing out there. Railway-related names, IRCON, RVNL, both of them are surging in trade in today's session itself. IRB Infra as well is up close to around 4% approximately. So that is when it's seen a big move. In terms of big volume movers, you have, Coffee Day. I don't know, that stock is down close to around 10% approximately. Big volume in the first minute itself. Not sure whether or not we have a large trade out there. Jyoti Structures as well, just around 11 rupee stock. That as well is down close to around 7%. The only reason we're highlighting is because volumes are massive out there. But otherwise, it's a good-looking screen. The mid-cap index is looking absolutely beautiful, up close to around 0.8%. And a lot of stocks doing well. Even Karnataka Bank is up and about. BHEL continues with its good run. Well, maybe we see a closer to around 20,000 today. That'll be on the Bulls' wish list.
Well, we're going to get it, Nigel, right? I mean,
absolutely.
Later, let's just quickly have the Nifty up and take a look at where that is at. So 19,885 is where we are with 60-point uptick this morning. The Nifty Bank will come up as well. So we got to above 45,312. But could not sustain. That's a 61.8% retracement. Hopefully, we get a close above today and things build up. Mid-cap and small-cap indices next. I was saying that how the pace of gains has picked up from 2% a week. We've gone to 4% a week, and 4% we've done for 2 weeks in a row. Right? I mean, that's incredible. And the start, if anything, I think this is perhaps going to continue. 1%, right? I mean, you take that forward to what happens for the rest of the week, you're looking at another 3-4% kind of a week. But too early to say. We're just starting the day, starting the week, but just quite something, the pace in the markets.